Do you want to host your own private Fortnite game? Follow these steps to safely and officially create a custom match using Epic's tools. Step 1, you have to join the Support a Creator program. To unlock the custom match feature, you'll need to be a part of Fortnite Support a Creator program. This gives you access to create and host your own matches. Step 2, open Fortnite and enter the lobby. Launch Fortnite and head into the main lobby screen. Scroll through the available game modes. Step 3, click on Custom Key. At the bottom of the game mode list, select the Custom Key option to proceed. Step 4, enter your custom code. Type in a unique code which is usually 4 to 16 letters and numbers only and no symbols. Avoid using common keys that others might also be entering to prevent matchmaking errors. Step 5, choose game mode and options. Pick the game mode you want for your match, like solos, duos or squads, and etc. Adjust team settings or match rules as needed. Step 6, confirm and launch. Click accept to lock in your custom key, then hit play. Wait for players to join your queue, and once everyone's in, press start match to kick off the game. And finally, invite others. Share your custom key with friends or participants. They must enter this game key in the custom key option to join your private match. Additional tips: no creator code. You can join custom matches if someone shares a key with you, but only creators can host them. Enable two-factor authentication. Make sure 2FA is turned on in your Epic account for smoother access. No exploits. Don't use cheats or unauthorized tools. Doing so breaks Epic's rules and YouTube's policies. Final note: this guide is 100% based on official Fortnite features. It's safe to publish, educational, and follows YouTube's and Epic's terms of service. Now you're ready to host your own custom matches in Fortnite like a pro. And that would be all for today's tutorial. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.